Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to bring relief to those suffering from plantar fasciitis, the foot roller kit for deep tissue massage. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this foot roller kit? It's a comprehensive solution designed specifically for alleviating arch and heel pain associated with plantar fasciitis. This kit includes not just one, but three essential tools: a foot roller, a high-density lacrosse ball, and a spiky massage ball. Each component is designed to target different areas of discomfort, ensuring you have the right tool for your specific needs. Let's talk about those features in detail. First, the foot roller is ergonomically designed with a centered arch and a textured surface. This design allows for consistent and comfortable pressure, making it easy to massage your feet without slipping. With regular use, this roller can help release tension in the plantar fascia, providing relief right where you need it most. Next, we have the lacrosse ball. This high-density ball is perfect for targeting deeper pressure points. If you find that your pain is more intense or localized, this ball will help you dig in and release those stubborn knots. It's a great option for anyone who often deals with trigger points in their feet. And then there's the spiky massage ball. This tool provides a gentler form of stimulation, making it ideal for users who prefer a lighter touch or those who are just starting their massage journey. It's all about customizing your experience according to your comfort level. So, who is this foot roller kit suitable for? Primarily, it's designed for individuals suffering from plantar fasciitis, but it's also perfect for anyone who stands for long periods, exercises frequently, or simply wants to pamper their feet after a long day. Whether you're an athlete, a healthcare worker, or someone who spends a lot of time on their feet, this kit can offer significant relief. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. You can easily incorporate this kit into your daily routine, whether you're at home, at work, or even on the go. The lightweight and portable design allows you to take it anywhere, and the included storage bag makes it easy to keep everything organized. Just a few minutes of use each day can help you feel better with every step. In summary, the foot roller kit for deep tissue massage is a versatile and effective solution for plantar fasciitis relief. With its thoughtful design and range of tools, it caters to various comfort levels and pain points. Thanks for watching.